So today we're going to make this black-eyed peas with sweet potato stew. Got some lovely cumin in there, garlic, onions and smoked paprika. Healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's get on with this then. So I've got here 1 can of tomatoes. They were whole, I just crushed them roughly. Sweet potato, about 4 or 5 cups of sweet potato. Cut it nice and small. 1 onion sliced. I've got some black-eyed peas here. Now I'm using them from a can. If you're using from a can, give them a nice wash in cold water. Some bell peppers just to give a bit of kind of greenness in there. A tablespoon of garlic. 2 teaspoons of cumin. And here I've got 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. The smoked paprika, if you can get it, is absolutely wonderful in this. Let's get to the cooker. This is really easy. Okay, so I've got my pan here and I've got some oil in there. I'm using an olive oil, but you could use something else if you wanted. We're going to drop in our onion and our garlic. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to get some black pepper in there. And we're on an above medium heat and we're going to go for 3 minutes. Okay, about 3 minutes there, just to get them on their way. Next up, we're going to drop in our sweet potato. Like I said, I've cut that nice little bite-sized pieces. And then we're going to go now for about another 4 or 5 minutes on this above medium heat. Give it a stir every now and then. There you go, about 5 minutes, and we've got some lovely sweet potato in there now. Next up, we're going to add our bell peppers and we're going to add our black-eyed peas. Now, if you wanted, of course, you could be using some other vegetables in here, some mushrooms, carrots, celery, eggplant, zucchini. The choice is up to you. I'm just sticking with these guys today. We're now going to add in the 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika and cumin. And like I said, if you can get the smoked paprika, it really is delicious. And then 1 can of tomatoes, which I crushed. Like I said, they were whole plum tomatoes. I'll just give them a little crush with my hand. We're going to add a little bit of water. We're going to turn this down to not a simmer, but just above a simmer. And we're going to let this go for 6 minutes and we're pretty much done. Delicious, super easy. Okay, you've done it. Off goes the heat. That is beautiful, nice and easy. I'm going to finish this off with some nice fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. And this is wonderful with some bread or with some rice, delicious stuff. Check that for salt. You might want to add a bit more. For me, it's perfect. Let me get this on a plate for you. All right, and there you go. Just like I say, so easy and delicious, that one. Play around with it. Like I say, get some different vegetables in or what you might have in there. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.